Coutts thinks he knows all the hot spots for magnet fishing, but I don't believe him.
I do believe I caught something massive. Yep. Wow. That is heavy. I don't know what this thing is, but this weighs multiple pounds. Jeez Louise. I knew this was a hot spot. I have the snuggest grip I've had in my entire magnet fishing career. It is so snug that when I pull it, I move the boat. I can't pull it free. Ooh, it's squeezing the hell out of my hand bones. Okay, yeah, this is, it came free. Yeah, I think it was just something wedged on there. Oh, look at all this. Maybe it's something huge and I just peeled its skin off. I think I got Moby Dick again. Oh, let go. It's either too heavy or it's wedged under something, or there's something that lines up with that tree out in this spot. All right, yeah, I think it's time to move. Oh! See, this is what I expected to find here. Rail ties. Bunch of rocks and nails. Another metal rod.
Okay, maybe he found a few things.
I got something massive on the line and I'm lined up with my tree from earlier. I think I got my white whale. Where is it? The current keeps moving me around. Damn it. I think I got that white whale. Something definitely big and heavy. Oh my God, is it a katana? I did it! Look, it's a serrated katana. Size comparison of the katana I just caught. Just a bit shorter than me, so it's about 6 foot long blade right there. This item is expected to be valued at $15,000. This is my crowning achievement. Mark might have 2 children, but stack that against this pride and joy. Plus with the, I gotta invent a name for this. Oh my God, this thing is heavy. It's been a day of nothing but profit out here. I don't want to get too optimistic here, but I think I got another thing. I'm holding the line with my ankle. Let me get back to work. Oh yeah, that's something. Oh no, I think I dropped it. It's still heavy. Hell yeah! This is the honey hole. Mark said nothing would be here. Who's laughing now, Mark? Now that I'm a scrap millionaire. Oh, it's big. Oh, dropped it. I think I got something, but not the real big thing. Yep, I got something. Another railroad tie to the collection. There's just a pile down here. It's like a borderline of where the current isn't very strong meets an area where the current is very strong. I can just feel stuff here whenever I don't have the camera rolling. I keep hooking it. Oh, maybe another railroad tie. Maybe an empty magnet and my back is getting sore.
Or maybe Coutts needs to hit the weights.
Oh. What is that? Am I moving again? I was on the honey hole. Keep getting a nibble. Ooh. Maybe big tuna is what I need. Big tuna!
This is big tuna.
Yeah, the current tosses the big tuna around. It's gonna be difficult to get target with this light thing. Up! Yeah. Come on, Ahab. I mean, Moby. Got it. Just dropped it way up here. Alright, 2 magnets at once. Too confusing. I think I'm on Moby again. This time I got big tuna on it. Just the 1 magnet. That feels sturdy. This is the one. Oh my. Oh. You need 2 magnets to steer it. This is huge. No! No! Oh. You guys saw that, right? Yep, another railroad spike. Gloves. Ha-da! Ha-da! I got him again. I'm gonna get gloves. Let nothing stand in my way of catching this thing. Alright, Moby. It's me and you. Oh, it's gone. Of course. Gotcha. Lost ya. That's a firm grip. Doesn't feel as heavy. Might be something different. That's something huge. Yeah, it's that pull. Yeah. Threaded bolt that I didn't even know was on the magnet.
So Coutts caught a bunch of stuff. But there's no way he can catch his white whale. Right?
I'm on the big one. Come on. I gotta end this in success. Oh, felt the current grab it. Oh, it's starting to feel weird. I think it's that long pole and it shifted. No, current, no! Ugh. Pulled it off. I got Excalibur just out of my fingertips. Current, start, oh, look at that. That's like 4 today. Last try on this Moby Dick. Come on, come to me. Come on. Oh, it's about to fall off. I can feel it dangling. Don't do it. Well, the moral of Moby Dick was to not get obsessed with the white whale. You see this? You give up on Moby Dick and you get a double grab. Got me a railroad spike and a bolt that I needed. Big Tuna's the champ. Well, I said I'd give up on catching my Moby Dick, but I caught it one more time. Ooh, it's so heavy. I can start to see it. It's a effing bike. There's the wheel. Oh. Oh, don't turn that way. Oh. Oh, yeah. Your boy Ahab. Now please, don't fall in, Justin. This is gonna be gross. Oh, the rim's falling apart. Oh, oh, disgusting all over me. Oh. Okay. Yeah. That is treasure. I did it. Oh, yeah. It's a mongoose. Got a gyro. What a score. I just had the anchor stuck and I fought and fought to pull it up. I didn't take it off of that. You gotta be kidding me. What's going on out here? Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to click here and see some more magnet fun. Thank you.
I was wrong.